My people una welcome. This story wa carry come na all the way from Kenya. Now they carry and come from. I hear say e get one dance wey don dey cause commotion for that side, and this dance they call am kwara kwara. No be gwara gwara wey be say una go dey bend like chicken. No be that one that they talk about. This one sef na new dance for that their side. But una know wetin shock me about this dance? They talk say this dance e dey urge sex. E dey urge people for sex. As e be say if you dey dance the dance, na so your thing go dey rise. I no know as the man take even define am. I say because of this dance, in fact, all the girls wey dey their village don get belle. Almost everybody don belleful, and because of this one, they won't ban the dance. Now there me I begin do my research. Be this one sef na another type of one corner dance. So now there I go find am. My people wey never know this dance, make una follow me watch.
I do very yes, I go good time. Yes, I go land fire play
inside Junior Records.
The cabbage tigane, the keyboard yoinde. The cabbage tigane, the keyboard yoinde. The chome kwara kwara, tumba kivukila, keni kwara kwara, tumba kivukila, keni kwara kwara, enimba kivukila, keni kwara kwara. Enimba kivukila, tere musialo mito, agirat meyo. Tere musialo mito, agirat meyo. Sigo le ting ding, tumba che ting ding. Sigo le ting ding, tumba che ting ding. Wakeni kwara kwara, nimba kivukila. Wakeni kwara kwara, tumba kivukila. Yere gitara musialo mito eno boss. Asilo mwatwa tinge.
Jumbe ga sama kwa bilo kote tuwa Kasom jumbe ga sama kwa bilo kapcho kwa
Now the dance be this. Only shaking of waist, so now they give people bed. I know they understand these people. I beg, which kind of the dance never, if to me, not even they bad. Nothing they bad inside this dance, because the only thing why they see now, maybe then the girls skirt they rise up. I bet you not because of that one 9 months want to go come they stand. Why be say go come reach for girls to come get intercourse? The dance not even they sexy, not even they inside the dance. Why be say on a government now come this, but anyway, on a people talks on a deputy commissioner now bring this one, and he talk say he don't ban the dance. Say everybody we don't learn this dance, make it unlearn them. So you will be say you don't learn them before. I beg just wipe and come off from your head. Because if they catch you, when they go they dance kwara kwara, they go come carry you, they will come move you. That's why we say people just reason as okay as work. No, they not it. May they use and they enjoy their life. At least may they jollificate. If one no work well, dance at least go make them happy. You can't decide now saying you won't kill their joy. Mr. Joy Killer, you won't destroy everything. So may they sit down for house, they sit down quiet. May they no dance. Me, I no go agree. In fact, I no go support this one. In fact, me self, I go even start my own challenge, kwara kwara challenge, start to the dancer. So I beg Mr. Deputy, rethink this your banning, because it no go work for my own side. Though. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story. Our popular interior decorator Ehi Ogbebor, I hear say this lady don't find love again. And I know say this lady before na MC Oluomo na she clinged to. She dey claim say na there the love of her life dey. Now I hear say auntie don't teleport. She don't leave her Agberu, sorry. Her transport union oga, she don't leave that one. Now person where she dey follow na Dennis Osufo. Now there she claims say this guy na him be her new lover. And see as he be na forever, and in fact till death do them part. Na two of them go still. For those of now we know watch where she unveiled this man for his 50th birthday, and they giving her the opportunity again. Making her follow me watch. Wow, love na beautiful thing. Anyways, I thank God say you find love again. But why be say your own love now for married people side? Now they always swing go. You know they ever see single person for your life? So okay, this one they singular. Make me self I follow am as a single person. Your own no they go that side. Now people be say they don't marry. Now they always follow. If we talk now, it go be like say we they tackle you. But anyway, Auntie Elo Abina Ihe, she dey support her claim with this marriage. Talk say this man when she meet say the man don't divorce since 2018. So it just be like say two divorcees come meet, they come fall in love. So make nobody come they claim say ain't they married to the man or say no. Say if you want even claim the man, you must come out with evidence. I don't know be na court evidence she dey find, be which kind of evidence she dey find. But she talk say before you go come claim this her lover boy now, we carry evidence come. Because of say what she no go leave this man alone. And in fact, she dey very, very specific for who she dey talk this one to. She dey refer am to the man, ex-wife. I hear say this man don marry before. And say make the lady no just go do mistake, they bring herself, come talk saying she still dey there, they still dey legally married though. Say this relationship, she meet the man single. So make this girl no come as and come they claim saying she dey married to the man because she now she gets this man. But auntie abeg, I no know since when 12 na start to dey fight because of man. But based on wetin me I notice, I realize say this Hey and this ex-wife, they don't know theirself since. No be today they know theirself because the way they drag theirself, it be like say 2 of them they fight for something. Now there I can't calm down, go do my own research, go do my amebo. Come notice say fine and good, yes. Say in fact, Hey and this lady, they be best of friends. Say in fact, by the time where this Hey, this make her just even call her Madam A. By the time we say she come out from her first relationship, she and this her ex-wife, I mean, what I'll call her. 2 of them follow the live together. In fact, they be family friends, closest of friends. I no know how many she they claim say Hey go snatch her man. Say this one not be love, say because wait, the man no even like her in the first place. Say when she they even follow this man, the man they want her say make him know they follow her, they talk to Hey. She can't surprise now saying now this girl can't they claim saying she don't find her true love. Oh, now sure say this lady never go use Kaya matter for this guy. Because now those our ladies now, they very desperate. And this woman, per se, she be like say her eye, she just define where she go sit down, settle, marry. After some few months, she go divorce. It be like say now what she dey find be that. But this lady they talk and say she dey here like this, she no dey ready to fight anybody. In fact, she gave her the man wholeheartedly, making carry am they go. But say she won't clear the air. About she talking saying this their relationship, they don't divorce since 2018. Say na lie. Say na 4 months ago, now this man just divorced her. Now the man just carry the letter cause say no do again. So make the lady no come outside go the lie say so of them don't know themselves since. And say she be husband snatcher. And say as it be say she be community something that thing she dey share her thing. Although much up her finish last he no marry him. Say this guy self no go marry him. The guy just want use her. Say she just dey give him hint to she come in and see this one too much. Which kind you come in peace be this one? Because to me, it just like say they give her. You they knock her for the head. But anyway, me I don't talk her. Now she carry herself enter the relationship. Allow her, make she see her thing. Whatever she wants see inside this relationship, where she go to care again, make she go see him. Because it can't be like say as we dey talk say and she dey follow married men up and down. It be like say people just they insult her say she na only married men. Now she know what she dey find. Behind after divorce, if she married, the two way she dey get now make her dey enter because me I don't know. But auntie abeg, you sef calm down. If one relationship spoil, take your time before you enter another one. Because if like say this empty olomo, you never even reach 2 months. You don't rush again, drag yourself, go enter another one, they unveil. Me, I don't reason I say na desperate in I carry you to do this one. I don't know, behind menopause of join together. Now what make you they decide say by force by fight you won't stick to man. I beg for this time and century, they still they fight for man again. Where be say 2 of Nana one day they drag for man. But auntie say make I tell you say this one a secret too. Say the guy where they follow na fraud guy. Say in fact all this COVID-19 scam where be say they catch people for the US. Say this guy they part. So it better they make you they very careful, make you leave this guy. I don't know, bear this one a warning sign. I bet she does they try scare you away. But anyway, now on her love, if now won't fight kill on herself, make her kill on herself. Now where she don't find her love and idea now she don't they proclaim her love now. So make we just leave her. But until I beg you don't do your work about on married men, don't do. Stay for one place, marry born, make we know say na here you dey. Which of all this kurukere, you just dey open your thing for any man. This one go come, he go enter. This one go come, he go enter. Last they know they marry. You know they tire you. Me, I just make I advise you on this one. No be say they cost you. Until stay for one place. I be my people. This is what I talk now. Insult her. I just they give her advice, sha. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.